Talk me through what happened, Harry.
So I got called in to the upstairs bathroom by Keith and Dan.
No angle.
No angle?
No angle.
What's going on with the angles in here? What's happened? Have we not put them in here, or what's the go?
Oh, I don't know. So are they missing? I don't know. So.
Well, look at that.
And they pointed out that the wall flashing wasn't in place.
Let me explain in 25 words or less. The flashing is plastic angles that should sit underneath all 90-degree joints in the gyprock and wet areas. It's there to stop leaks should any moisture get through the waterproofing. 36 words. Getting better. As project manager, it's Harry's responsibility to get it done properly in the first place.
Mate, the problem we've got now is...
How do we fix it?
If there's no angle here,
Yeah.
is there an angle there?
I don't know. There probably isn't if it's not one there.
Is there an angle here?
Well, you can see from there if there is one there.
No.
I'm not on there.
Well, there's none.
There isn't?
So how do we warrant this bathroom?
I have to put in an angle, don't I? Have to get it put in.
This whole bathroom's got to be ripped up.
This whole bathroom's got to come out.
All right.
Now, remember, Harry and Tash's upstairs has 2 bedrooms, a study and this bathroom. But it's the bedroom and study up for judging this week. This bathroom was revealed 3 weeks ago, and that was when the first big problem was uncovered.
This wall, that which is the wall that we had to install for the bathroom, is at about 25 mil, 30 mil.
But after they managed to push the wall into plumb from the outside, Harry dodged a big repair bill.
As long as we can get something behind that, get that corner fixed up, and then re-waterproofed, and then the tiles back on. Should be good.
Maybe cost you $1,000 rather than 5. Good result, Harry.
I'm happy. So what we thought was going to be a minor repair is now going to be a major repair of that bathroom.
Mate, this is going to cost a fortune. There's 25 grand at least in this.
Do we have to pull up all the tiles?
Everything. We've got to re-waterproof the whole bathroom. We've got to put angles in. All the plant, we've got to go back to frame.
All right, fair enough. We've has to.
How's the budget going?
Harry and Tash did have a reasonably healthy 33 grand this week.
Not now, right now. Yes.
I suggest you talk to Tash and really start budgeting.
You can't afford to lose 20, 30 grand, mate.
30 grand is a big expense. You got to be on top of these boys. This is too many mistakes happening. It's costing you money, which could cost you the block.
I'll get sorted. Have to. And my day's getting really worse and worse.
Foremen Keith and Dan are still ripping into Harry and Tash's upstairs bathroom to find out the extent of the problem with the missing angles.
Nah, no angle here.
This little bathroom has just caused so many issues, and it's a pity because it was a beautiful bathroom.
Yeah. I've got some bad news. You know that bathroom upstairs that that got canned, and you saved it, right? Well, Keith they went up there and they noticed there's no corner angles at all. None. And because there's none there, he said you have to pull all the plaster off, all the tiles off and start again. There's no intent in any way to a shonky. It doesn't make sense, right? So it doesn't take a lot of effort to put in flashing, so it was missed. But look, it doesn't matter. Whatever it is, we just need to get that sorted.
I'm so obsessed with this. I think it's perfect for my room because I'm doing like these autumny colours.
Perfect, let's do it. I'll wrap it up.
Hi.
Hi.
Good, how are you?
Good. Where are you?
I'm just shopping.
Has something gone down?
Well, not gone down. What's happened is that bathroom upstairs that, you know, that was the crooked bathroom, the crooked wall which they fixed.
Yeah.
Apparently our boys forgot to put a angle in the corners, so... That means that all the tiling has to be removed.
Oh, the whole bathroom?
All the bathroom, the floor, because it needs to be all re-waterproofed. They need to check it, it needs to be replastered.
Man.
Yeah, well...
It's frustrating. I thought we were done with the whole bathroom situation. Ugh, but it's back. It's freaking back.
Disappointing about that, what happened upstairs. So
It is what it is.
it is. Move on. Yeah, I'll move on. Look, the issue
Okay,
that
it is as bad as we thought it was. That's
well,
it.
but not $30,000. Keith thinks it's going to cost about $30,000 to fix. We've done our calculations and we believe it's going to be about $5,000 to fix.
No, don't. Where's they getting that from?
Oh no, don't worry about it.
Dad, it's just to scare us. I don't know where 30,000 came from, to be honest.
How much did the boys charge for the tiling?
$3.5 grand.
There you go.
$3.5 grand. So where's this $30,000 coming from? The bathroom didn't cost us to do $30,000.